In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header from a specific page on your WordPress site. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can follow along seamlessly. Let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, find and click on Pages from the menu. This will redirect you to a list of all the pages that you've created on your site. Take some time to scroll through this list and find the specific page from which you want to remove the header. Once you've located the page, click on Preview. This preview will let you see exactly how the page looks currently, with the header still in place. Now that you're viewing the page, it's time to inspect the elements of the header. Right-click on the header you wish to remove and select Inspect from the menu that appears. This will open up the developer tools on your browser, a feature that allows you to view and edit what's happening under the hood of your site. Spend a moment here to identify the specific header elements in the HTML code. You'll want to make sure you are targeting only the header elements for this specific page. Once found, highlight and copy this section. With this header code now copied, return to your WordPress dashboard. From the menu, navigate to Appearance and then click on Customize. This will open up the customization interface of your WordPress site, which allows you to make design changes. Once in the customization section, look for an option labeled Additional CSS. Clicking on this will bring up a blank space where you can enter custom CSS snippets to modify your site's appearance. This blank canvas is where the magic happens. Click into this space, then paste the copied header elements here. Now that you have the header code right in front of you within the additional CSS panel, it's the perfect moment to make your edits. To remove the header, you'll want to change its display property. Replace the current code with Display None. This CSS rule essentially instructs your site to hide this particular element, effectively removing the header from view on that specific page. Finally, don't forget to save your changes to make them permanent. At the top of the customization page, you'll see a blue button that says Publish. Clicking this will ensure that your alterations are applied and visible to everyone who visits your site. And just like that, you've successfully removed a header from a specific page in WordPress. Remember, changes like these can really tailor your site to fit your unique design vision, so feel free to explore more tweaks in the customization menu. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.